Morning, everybody.
Good morning. It's us again.
Yes. As per usual, we're coming to you from UpKeep's headquarters. I'm Rachel, UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
And I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder.
Yes, and this morning we wanted to come and tell you about some additional features that we've released. So for this week's releases, we focused on exporting. So we heard a lot of feedback from our customers about additional fields that they wanted to be able to pull from our system. So that's what we've done for you this week. To the work order list export, we've added our asset ID, location ID, team ID, user ID, because we heard a lot of feedback that a lot of our customers for their reporting purposes actually use the codes in our system and they want to be able to map that. So we're giving that information to you now, as well as the name of the team assigned for every work order on that list. And then for assets, when you export your data there, we're also now including all of the depreciation fields. So as you utilize those fields, those are going to be included in your export for reporting as well.
Something that we've always said since day one is, your data is your data. It's not ours. So we wanted to make it extremely accessible to you guys, so to allow you guys to use it in any way, shape, or form, whether that's through, keeping a record just for yourself or wanting to run complex reports. Again, very, very excited to give you guys access to more of your data because, again, that is yours.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys. Get into the app and start exporting. Have a good day.